someone was asking me, can he mix aloe vera gel and toothpaste to clear acne? Please, if you are seeing this video, don't be falling for all those abracadabra that does not work. Mixing aloe vera gel and toothpaste. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you 3 facts about how to use aloe vera gel on the face. Now, if you have been trying to use aloe vera gel on your face and it hasn't been working for you, okay, I'm going to be telling you 3 facts you need to know about using aloe vera gel on the face. I'm going to be opening your eyes to a lot of things you have been lied to. All right, so yes, so this is aloe vera gel. This is an aloe vera gel essence. I have made a video telling you exactly what this is. So yeah, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, I am Beautiful Jenny, and thank you for clicking today's video. I am super sure you are going to find value in today's video. All right, so I said we are going to be talking about 3 facts about how to use aloe vera gel on the face. Fact number 1, aloe vera gel is not a moisturizer. Now, over the time, you have been sold that you can use this as a moisturizer, and this has been destroying your face. This has been destroying your skincare routine. It has been making your face not to give. So if you have been using this to substitute as a face cream, do not do that. Okay, now you can use this as a moisturizer when you are using it as a treatment. There are different ways to use aloe vera gel, but when it comes to basic, this is not a moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, you still need a face moisturizer. This is a face moisturizer. This is a face essence. Now, this can be used as an essence. This can be used as a treatment option. But this is a face moisturizer, and this is an aloe vera gel, soothing and moisturizing gel. Now, because it is written moisturizing gel does not mean that it is your moisturizer. There are things that a moisturizer has to contain to be a face moisturizer, which this does not contain. Now, even if it contains it, it does not contain it in the right quantity proportion that it is supposed to contain to help to moisturize and to keep your face moisturized for a very long time. I've seen a lot of people say they use this as their face moisturizer and their face gets darker. Now, the reason why your face is getting darker is because, 1, this is not a face moisturizer. This is not going to keep your face moisturized all the day. You are going to agree with me that once you apply aloe vera gel, give it few minutes, depending on your skin type, 1 hour, it has dried up. And now this option is worse if you have dry skin. Do not use this as a face moisturizer. This is a face essence. This is what you are going to apply and then follow up with your face moisturizer. So if you have been using this to substitute as a face moisturizer, stop it. Stop it. You are going to be causing your face to darken. Your face is going to look dull. Your face is going to look older. Someone left a comment sometime and said that her face is looking old. Her face is looking shrunken, and she's just in her early 30s. Okay, so if you are that person, or if you are experiencing this skin condition, please do not use something like this as your face moisturizer. Get a proper face moisturizer that is going to leave your face moisturized for a long period of time. The reason why your face is looking dry, the reason why your face is looking burnt, the reason why your face is looking aged, you are looking older than your age, is because you are not moisturizing your face enough. That your skin, our skin, needs a lot of hydration, a lot of moisturization, especially for adults that are busy. You don't take enough liquid, you don't drink enough water. Then you need to topically apply these things. So by the time you use this, that is just going to dry into your skin. It's not as if you're applying it and then applying a face oil. If you apply this and apply a face oil, that's a different case. Then the face oil is going to trap in the moisture and hydration from this. But if you just use this alone, there is nothing holding in the hydration and the moisture into your skin. Do you understand? So when you apply this on your face, it's just going to evaporate. Now, when you are using this as a skin treatment, the case is different. Just like I mentioned earlier, you can use this as a treatment on your face. Probably apply it at night and go to bed. In the morning, you follow up with your normal routine. But let that not be your 1 year, 2 years face routine. Every night you use aloe vera gel. Every night you use it without using a moisturizer. Over time, your skin is going to tell that you are not hydrating your skin enough. Especially if you're in your 30s, in your 40s, you need a lot of hydration. You need a lot of moisturization to still keep that youthful bounce on your skin. So do not use aloe vera gel on your face as a facial moisturizer. Now, Another fact you need to know about how to use aloe vera gel on your face is that aloe vera gel does not brighten the face. Now, a lot of people have sold you the narrative that, oh, aloe vera gel for brightening, aloe vera gel for brightening, without actually explaining to you the science behind these things. This thing on its own cannot brighten. This thing does not contain any brightening ingredient in it. This cannot brighten your face. If you are looking to brighten your face, this will not brighten your face. Remember, if you're enjoying this video and you're getting insight from it, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Let me know your thoughts about this thing I am talking about, aloe vera gel and everything. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let's have a conversation. Now, back to what we are talking about. This is a face essence and this is not a face brightener. Now, when you use this on your face, what is going to happen is that your face is going to be hydrated, and a hydrated skin appears to be brighter. It doesn't mean that this is going to brighten your skin. So if your face is dark and you watched a video that told you to use aloe vera gel as a moisturizer, that the aloe vera gel is going to brighten your face, it is not going to work for you. And if you have tried it, confirm to me in the comment section how it worked for you, because I am sure that it did not work. It did not work. If it did work, that means you paired it with another thing, and it is that other product that is brightening your face and not this. This cannot brighten your skin. This can only hydrate your skin, and when your skin is hydrated, okay, it appears to be brighter. And if you use only this for a prolonged period of time, you are still going to notice that that's small brightening you are seeing. You're not going to be seeing it again. So that is why some people say, oh, aloe vera gel was working for me before, but it stopped working for me. My face is no longer bright. And that is because what happened was your skin was looking dull and dehydrated, and then when you applied aloe vera gel, it just blinked. Okay, your skin just blinked and you felt, oh, this is brightening my skin. And then over time, your skin has had your skin is like, this is not what I want, add something to it. Do you understand? And then when you don't add something to it, your skin is going to go back to what it used to be. So this is not brightening to the skin. This is hydrating, super hydrating to your skin, but it is not brightening. So do not use this if you're having serious if your face is hyperpigmented and you want to brighten your face. Don't use this alone. You can use it as an essence, but don't use it as something that is going to brighten your face, because it is not going to brighten your face. Now, the third thing I want to talk about aloe vera gel, what you need to know about how to use aloe vera gel on the face, is for people that have acne prone skin. Now, I have noticed that a lot of people that have acne, okay, even me, when I had acne, I used aloe vera gel on my face. But there are some type of acne I am going to have. If I use this aloe vera gel on my face, the acne, I'm going to be experiencing more pimples. It is going to be breaking me out. So that is to say that this does not work for everybody. Some people use this and it breaks them out. Some people use it and it does not. So if your skin does not accept this particular type of aloe vera gel, remember, there is fresh aloe vera gel, and fresh aloe vera gel is not on the table of this thing we are talking about. I am talking about this particular popular one. Okay, this is the popular one, and it's popular because it is easy to use, but the fresh one is not very easy to use. It's not easy to store. It's a one-time thing. It's not something you can add into your daily routine. That one actually is very good, both for dry skin, both for oily skin, and still, even the natural one, it does not substitute your face cream. You can't use it in place of your face cream, because once you apply it on your skin, it dries. Aloe vera gel does not sit on your skin. No, it dries out. Okay, so as I was saying, if you have acne prone skin, be careful about using aloe vera gel on the face. I got a comment 2 days ago. Someone was asking me, can he mix aloe vera gel and toothpaste to clear acne? Please, if you are seeing this video, don't be falling for all those abracadabra that does not work. Mixing aloe vera gel and toothpaste for acne, please do not do that. It's not going to work. Okay, I don't know where people get these things from, but please don't do that. Don't mix aloe vera gel with toothpaste and apply it on your face and expect your acne to go like from where to where. It doesn't work. It will not work for you. You are just going to be wasting your time and wasting your effort. If you have acne, please go for acne treatment routines. I have a list of different face routines you can use when you have acne. Check out my channel. My channel is booked. Like any type of skin issue you are having, any type of routine you want, I got the video, and new videos keep rolling out almost every day on this channel. So if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe right now. Yeah. So as I was saying, this does not really work for everybody. So if you have acne, this might sensitize your skin because this has a bit of alcohol in it. It has fragrance, which will not work well for an already sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, aloe vera gel might not work for you. If you have sensitive skin, if you start using aloe vera gel, you might experience face darkening. Your face might react. It's not that aloe vera gel can darken your face, okay, but because you have sensitive skin, the reaction of your face to this aloe vera gel can be it darkening. So it is not the aloe vera gel darkening your face, it is that you are giving your skin what it does not want, and it is reacting to it as darkening, if that makes sense. So these are the 3 facts I need you to know about how to use aloe vera gel on the face. I've gotten a lot of questions about aloe vera gel from my short YouTube video that went viral. A lot of people are asking questions: does it darken, how to use it, this one, that one. So this is clear answers to the questions that I received from that my short YouTube viral video. So please do not use this if you have acne. If you have acne and you're going to use this, make sure you do a patch test. Okay, look at your skin 2 days, 3 days, and see if the pimples are increasing or decreasing, or they are remaining the same. This is going to help you to decide if you are going to continue with the said treatment or not. Just like I said, there are sometimes I have pimples, I use it and it works, and there are sometimes I have pimples, I use it and it increases the pimples that are coming out, and that is simply because there are different causes of acne. If you are seeing a pimple on your skin, there are different reasons why that pimple is on your face, so which is going to require different results. So you might have had acne before, and now you have acne again. If you go back to the same product you used that time, it might not work for you. So these things are very, very tricky, okay? And that is why sometimes you need guidance from someone that is well experienced, and that is why I offer skincare consultation. I have the 1-day plan, okay, and I also have the 1-month plan. Click the description box. You are going to see my WhatsApp number there if you need guidance on anything concerning your skin issues. I am here to serve you. Thank you for joining me on today's own. Okay, let me know if you enjoyed it in the comment section. Let's have a conversation.